Hello, I'm Thomas. I'm working for Century21 Korea. Today, I'm going to let you know how to use 네이버 부동산, which is the most useful tools when you are looking for a house or homes in Korea. So let's type 네이버 부동산. Okay. If you cannot type in Korean 네이버 부동산, don't worry. We have a address. Okay. This is the main page of 네이버 부동산. Today we're going to focus on one or two rooms by the monthly payment. So we'll check one room, two room, and then we'll stay. And then we have to check the area. Today we're going to focus on 관악구. Of course, 서초구, 강남구, 송파구 I think is much better. Of course, and it's much more expensive. And 노원구, 강북구, 도봉구, that's good, but a bit far from the center. So I'd rather recommend 관악구. 관악구 is rather very cheap compared to other areas, and security is good, and very close to Gangnam-gu. Only 17 minutes from Sillim Station to Gangnam Station, and also very close to 서대문구, 마포구. 서대문구, we have NC University in 서대문구. 관악구, we have Seoul National University. 성동구, we have Kongguk University and Hanyang University. Okay. Let's click 관악구. So upon our condition, precondition, 네이버 부동산 shows, well, there are many rooms. And then, okay, let's see where I have to live, which is better price. Yeah, it's upon the condition. Yeah, let's say I want to live close to a station. So, oh, but 관악구 is so big. Okay. I'd recommend 봉천역 and 서울대구역. There are three main stations here: 신림 Station, 봉천 Station, and 서울대구 Station. The main station is in 관악구. 신림 Station is something like there are many places drinking and Korean BBQs, and there are young people. It's maybe a bit noisy. So I'd rather choose 봉천역 and 서울대구역 is more like a residential area. See, it's a big apartment complex. Let's see. This apartment complex, apartment. This is also apartment, and you see this area. We are now at this area is also we are constructing some apartment. So this is residential area. Okay, let's see. How about this one? Very close to the from the station. We can use 거리제기. Click this one. Oh, you can see 5-minute walking and only 316 meters. We can use this one. Okay. And then I want to look what the street is. You can use this 거리뷰. 거리뷰, you can see this is blue line. Check. Yeah, not bad. Not bad. Not bad. Okay. It's not bad. Okay. Let's see. And okay. 1 room, 2 room. And then 월세. Okay. Then we can also see 항공 view, is bird eye view. Bird eye view. We can click this for bird view. Wow. We can see Han River here. Pool. Wow. Many residential area here. You can see 서울대구역 2호선. You can see, wow. some mountains, many homes. Woohoo. Okay, so please read this one. 거리제기, distance from where to where. 항공뷰, bird eye view. Sexy. 거리제기, 항공뷰, 거리뷰. Okay, this is quite useful one. Okay, let's find. Okay, I'd rather choose. How about here? Wow, this one deposit. Oh, year one was too much for student. Let's see another one. How about this one? Yeah. How about this one? Oh, it looks nice. Okay, very close to the station. Let's see in detail. So the 2000 is deposit. Be careful. This is not dollars. We Korea use Korean won, and in this case, the unit is not one, man won. We have 4 digits here. 2천만 원, something like $20,000, something like that, less than $20,000 at this moment. And this 65 means monthly rate. Okay, let's see. And we also have 공용 관리비. 관리비 means maintenance fee. It's like 15만 원, something like $120, something like that, monthly. So we have to pay, in this case, 80만 원. It's something like $700, something like that. And then 융자 여부 means there are no mortgage on here, so it's something like safe. And 입주 가능일 means 입주 가능일. Okay. 입주 가능일 means when is the date you can move into. The fastest is earliest is April 13th. Okay, and you have 1 room and 1 bathroom. Okay, then okay. The third floor, and 전용 면적 is in the house and the size of the room. So 16 square meter. Oh, it's not that big, very small, very small. Yes, but it's close and looks very new. Okay, because 사용 승인일, this means the construction date. So 10 years passed. Yeah, looks nice. Okay, and then this is photo. Yeah, the full furnace, laundry machine. Yeah, it looks nice for one man living. And if you like this one, you can call here this realtor's phone number, so you can negotiate. But in most cases, Korean realtors, they cannot speak Korean in most cases. Or yeah, in the case, please contact me. I think I can help you. So this is how to use Naver 부동산. It's easy if you remember a few words in Korean. And like this. This is how. And there are many. What is this? 항공뷰, a bird eye view. Maybe if you haven't been to Korea, if you haven't been to Seoul, you can use this one. Let's see. Yonsei University, 항공뷰. Ooh, many mountains in Korea. Okay. You can check. Where do you want? 항공뷰. This is Yeoksam Station. Sanyong stations. This is Samsung Station, our company's locates. You see? Oh, Han River. Oh, sports complex. Actually, Gangnam is a very new town. So, oh yeah. Now I am something like here. Anyway, this is Gangnam area. Any offices? Yeah, this is apartment. So you are free to explore in this neighbor 부동산. You want to check this one also? Okay, this is one. You see, the part is more expensive than 관악구. Oh, hoo. See, 2억 원. That's quite expensive. The part is, yeah, clean, more organized. Okay. So there are many places, and you can make condition here. So please explore, and if you don't know anything, please ask me. Oh, this one also good. Let's see. The part is only 1,000 만원 and 60 만원 for monthly payment. So the 관리비, maintenance fee is 8 만원. Looks nice. 20 square meters. It's quite new. Only constructed last year. Okay. Realtor's phone number. And this one, 중개보수 means realtor fee. 28 만원. VAT means value added tax. We Korea, we have 10% value added tax is separate, so you have to pay more, 10% more in this case. Yeah, let's see. This is quite new. Looks nice. Yeah, looks very nice. Okay. I hope my how to use is helpful for you. So please explore, and I hope you can rent the good home, good room. Okay, thank you. See you then.